Social media revive black this a tune and away. The tune never stay alive, never go nowhere. You know, social media lift up the tune and we and a guitar. Extra trend right now, me I tell you, girl, them love this vibes here. Bomboclaat, me I tell you, place up. Hey dog, so when girl good, that one I look away, me I tell you. She a go on, she a up, me I tell you, she a go on. Miss China can't get couple, you know. What fi go on, you know say a lot deal with the place. You say a lot deal with the bomboclaat place. Jam me I tell you, think New York, Brooklyn was the next thing. You know say a lot deal with down a yard. You know say it's the next ball game. Lord come with a piece of vibes, Lord come with a piece of energy. Come turn up and turn over the place. The song selections them went crazy. Just pay high energy, pay high pace. The dog just come out with a dog, yo, may I tell you? Yo, watching it over the blood clot citadel. Yo, the performance shot. Much less today, on the grung. I take you that the performance, the oil deal with the place. Yeah, we even want to give you one boom boom no highlight, man. Even if you just come out of the way, man, and go one side, man. Can't take them kind of Alkaline crowd that give that. Be a bad screw. Bomboclaat. Human being there, man. You're too much better. Go one side, man. Cha. And give space to the artists, them. And behave a little blood clot self. You look a bit too much. Yeah, regardless, man, may I tell you, the Lord come deal with the place away. The Lord come deal with the place away, man. The dog just come chop up the gun. Wicked. Tune. Black a tune. New tune a wheel out. Tune a mix. Yo, the Lord come deal with the gun. Cry me. May I tell you? Yo. People turn out. Yo. I want to tell you, I want ras. Yeah, man, all the part when the Lord acapella bad off a new album. Yeah, man, we can't ball. We can't complain about the part. Because the Lord fix it all when cash price. Make a little mix up. And intro our next tune. The Lord fix it quick and fast and just. You know, the Lord full of experience and know how to deal with the stage. The Lord correct that long time and ready again. Yeah, man, you know, the Lord know how to deal with it. So that's nothing. And nothing that. Them things that happen. Yeah, we. So we are say, now live better than we know them. And you know we have so we are say. Yeah man, all the beat me a beat boom boom. I look a request I make pan the son of a queen tune there. A request that went tough still, you know I tell no lie. See Lord give them a simple beat and just look official. And they say Lord flick man. And they say Lord roll, the Lord buck down. And just like a real airline sister, a real general. Once man look upon the Lord, different man. They have to know it's a different class, a different league. And you know, thing na lily, thing na normal. We say like a dog ready for your prime minister work. No, yeah man. Give dog a prime minister work. Bomboclaat. Sure, you don't see dog ready for you. Yeah man, this a performance I want for your books, them one for your history. Cause I end up on the ground, I build a blood clot DVD in my vehicle. I tell you say, a lone performance. Me I watch and vibe to lone performance. If me not rock tune. Yeah man, from the dog Reggae Sumfest performance to the dog Ghana performance to couple performance to the dog about Atlanta. Me I tell you, couple performance well me I rock to for the dog. Blood clot. So this one me have to go rock to this one cause me rate this a performance. The energy why dog bring forward. This a performance. I want for you books them, me I tell you. No joke, man. This one you have to get couple rock out, man. Couple rock, man. And yeah, man, catch twice swag them, man. Cause dog come with a piece of vibes. In this a performance. No joke, man. Come rock off piece of place. Everybody have a dance so black and a look and a wonder say, no, man. I really like this, man. And give dog him props, man, to a dog. Bring it. G, bring it, man. No joke.
Just have fun with the music, man, and just you want kind of just make an impact on the business in a different way, you know. So that's what I mean. So we could have just run in on the game one different way, you know. Because as I say, even when me jump out, wouldn't say too much young youth per se did kind of in the game like that. Kind of like, never too much like young youth, like how they in the know, you know? Yeah, kind of more like, what would I say?
It was just like the big giants, I feel like at the time.
That's what
like
I told him. That's what I was telling him. He paved his own way because it wasn't no youths.
Yeah, so it's like the giant, them know would already have fan base and have hits and years put in the game. So it's like, compete against that.
Right.
So, you go really make a mark with them, and they were kind of done stay so already in the game. You see it and you just a foul. So you kind of have to prove yourself same time, and the game not really, what I say, forgiving, because like, if you're not really producer, you're not forward with no song or forward with nothing, then people in brain is like them drop it, is it? So what you gotta do?
Yeah.
So I just something on me work out in my brains, you know. For attack and make an impact on the people and on the culture, isn't it? So, that I saw that whole thing they followed out with the approach, you know?